Alright, we're over here on Gunstreamer again, and this is where we archive our daily gun show podcasts. Each weeknight we go live, we host it over at gunchannels.com, and we archive the shows here on gunstreamer.com. Each day of the week we have a different topic. On Mondays we talk about behind the scenes. So if you'd like to grab a camera or a microphone or a keyboard and participate in the creation of 2A content, we'd like to help you with the nuts and bolts. We bring people on who've had successful projects or campaigns and talk about how they did it and the processes. You can ask questions. There's people there to answer them. If we don't know the answers, we'll help you find them. So if you'd like to participate in creation of 2A content, so for the creation of content for our Second Amendment, join us on Mondays and be part of the behind the scenes nuts and bolts look at our facet of participating online, both as a creator and as an audience. We encourage people who view content to realize that they are a part of the equation now more than ever with computers. So we encourage them and we give them as many tips and tricks as possible to help influence what it is we all experience and the priority of what we experience out there as being part of an active audience. So join us weeknights, midnight Eastern, over on gunchannels.com, and you can watch the shows on archived here on gunstreamer.com. Thanks for watching.